everyone, this is Elena from Powertrain Products coming to you with another episode of As the Timing Chain Turns. I'm here with special guest Drew. We're going to talk about some things that you can expect from us during the COVID-19 problems that the state of Maryland is currently experiencing. As many of you know, that is where our main hub is located. It's where our corporate office is. It's where we are. We want to let you know some things that you can expect from us during these times.
Very quickly, can I still buy an engine from Powertrain Products?
You can absolutely still buy an engine from Powertrain Products. As far as we have heard from our boss and the governor, we were deemed essential. Therefore, we are still open for business.
So I just need to wash my hands and sing happy birthday?
Yeah, well, it's happy birthday twice, but of course we're all making sure that we are thoroughly washing our hands, we're sanitizing, we're not even really passing documents back and forth, we're all staying where we're supposed to stay, doing what we're supposed to do. Just coming to you with a video to let you know that we are still here. If you have bought something from us recently, it's still going to ship, it's still going to come to you. You don't need to panic. We are still open for business if you need something.
Well, all sounds
In addition
great.
to that, if you are finding yourself having problems getting parts from your primary supplier, whether that be a big corporation or a different corporation, we are happy to help. This is for shops. We're happy to help. Give us a call. Our number is 888-842-0023. You can follow us online to powertrainproducts.net as well.